Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Triyani Safitri, number student 41014190016. In this video, I will explain about how we solve linear programming problem using ruler method. I have prepared one problem, this, and then we have to solve this using ruler method. Solution: suppose the first step that we have to do is suppose x equals the number of tools of type A and y equals the number of tools type B. And then from the problem, every sentence we have to make the constraint. From this, market tests and available research have indicated the combined production level should not exceed 1,200 tools per week. We have the constraint this, and then next, the demand for dolls of type B is at most half of that for dolls of type A. We get this constraint, and then for the next sentence, further the production levels of type B can exceed 3 times the production of dolls of other type by at most 600 units. We get this constraint, and x and y in here is never negative number, so x and y is non-negative number, that is x greater than or equal 0 and y greater than or equal 0. And for this problem, we get if the company makes profits of 12 and 16 per doll respectively on dolls A and B, so it means that we get z, the function of profit is 12x plus 16y. Next, to solve this problem, we will use Geogebra. You can open Geogebra in your device by searching like this Geogebra and using graphing calculator. So first that we have to do is we have to input all these constraints in Geogebra. We have 5 constraints. I will write here x plus y, and then this is the first constraint, and to relate the first constraints and the other constraint, we use conjunction, and then type y greater than or equals this, and using conjunction again, type in here x plus y, x minus 3y, yes, like this, and then use conjunction again to type x greater than or equal 0, conjunction again, y greater than or equal 0. All the constraints that we have write in Geogebra, so the result is like this. I'm sorry, need effort. Yes, like this. This is the visible area, visible region, or the result area that satisfy the constraint. 5 constraints in here. Next that we have to do is we make the equation x plus y. In here we using equals, like this from all constraint, like this, and then x minus 3y like this. Then because this is the visible region, we have to determine the point in visible region. So we have to use these tools, intersect. Suppose I will name this line and this line. The intersect is A, and then suppose I will name this by B. This intersect this line and this line. This is B, and then the intersect of this line and this line is C. The intersect of this line and this line is T. So the visible region is A, B, C, D. And then next we have to determine the maximum point and the minimum point. How we get this? We write in here the function 12x plus 16y in here. I will write in here. This is the means of using ruler method. We type in here k because we have to change this line to reach all the point A, B, C, D. So in here I will type 100,000 because I want this green line is the function. Yes, the green line in here is the function, and then we have to reach this line. This is the name of garis litik in Indonesia. The concept of ruler method using in here, and then we have to play this line like this from visible region. The first we have in here we have 4 points. The first point that reach of this line is the minimum point, and the maximum point is the last reach of this line, like this. Like this green line, the function garis litik reach point A first, and then D, and then C. Like C, and then the last point that reached by the function, the profit function is P. So So by using ruler method, we get that P is the optimum point to get maximum function. So P in here is 800 and 400, 800, 400. So, and the minimum point is A, 0, 0 in here. Yes. So, in here, I will type in here, yes. So, if the question is how many of each should be produced weekly in order to maximize the profit, the answer is point B. Point B, that is point B in here, that is 800, 400. It means that to get the maximum profit, we have to produce 800 dolls type A and 400 dolls type B, and the minimum profit will get if we produce 0, 0, 0x and 0y. It means we produce 0 doll type A and 0 doll type B. I have write this conclusion. By using ruler method, we get the maximized profit happen if the company produce 800 dolls type A and 400 doll type B, and the minimum profit happen if the company produce 0 doll type A and 0 doll type B. Enough explanation from me. I'm sorry if there is a mistake, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.